Are you looking for the best and affordable web hosting for your website? Then you have come to the right place. Hello, my name is Parveen Gosai and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. To get a website, normally a person need to pay 1000 to 3000 rupees annually to get a web hosting services, which is too costly for a normal person. And if you are a beginner, then you may be facing problem, but I will give you the best and cheapest solution today. I am a webmaster instructor and working from last 8 years, and I have created so many websites and developed them using different web hostings. Finding the best web hosting is very difficult because so many web hosting companies are available and they offer affiliate services and paid reviews to increase their publicity, and it is very difficult to find the best and affordable hosting. When you search on Google, there are so many paid advertisements wherein you find it difficult to get the best web hosting services. So it is very difficult to find best yet pocket friendly services that can offer you affordable web hosting services. Today I am going to reveal a web hosting services that offers cheapest services in India, and its web hosting services start from only 299 rupees per year. Yes, I am talking about Liger Hosting. It is a place where so many professionals like web developer, web designer, SEO experts, and there are so many professionals who are working together to provide the best web hosting services. Liger Hosting is providing free SSL certificate that you can use for your website, and it is also providing free email account that you can create according to your domain name. It is also providing unlimited storage space to run your website perfectly. I am personally using Liger Hosting to host my so many websites, and I have never faced any issue, and they provide prompt technical support to resolve any kind of issue on my website. Whenever I face little bit issues, I contact their technical support and they give me a quick response and resolve my issue. So let's check out on their platform directly and see how they are providing their services. So on the website of Liger Hosting, you can check refer and earn program. Anybody who signs up with Liger Hosting and get a web hosting services from your referral link, you will get 100 rupees in your account. Here you can see .com domain you can buy at price of 699 rupees per annum. It is cheaper than its competitor like GoDaddy, where you have to pay minimum 999 rupees for 1 year. Renewal price is even higher. You need to renew your domain at 699 after 1 year as well. So it is the cheapest hosting, and for hosting services as well the price is same. You don't need to pay extra amount for hosting services. After 1 year as well you need to pay the same amount for domain as well as hosting. If you transfer your domain for any other web hosting to Liger, then you will get first 3 months free. If you are going to buy the Liger hosting services, then you will get 24/7 phone support. These are technical support number is also there at the top. You can call them at any point of the day or night and they will provide you the prompt response. First 30 days are free in the hosting services of Liger, so you can get its services and first check out how it works for 30 days, and it will definitely give you the satisfactory result. You can check the testimony part on this website and other platform. The rating and reviews are very high. That's why I am also creating this video for Liger Hosting, because I have satisfied from their services and they are providing me such a affordable service. The cheapest services. Prime Hosting provides free SSL with unlimited website with the fastest speed and virus-free hosting with already installed WordPress. You can see these are the SSL certificates are provided by them, and they provide 30 days money back guarantee as well. User has multiple website and they want Cloudflare DDoS protection with free SSL, then they can switch to the Prime Hosting of Liger Hosting. User will get free emails like info@websitename.com, and user can generate these types of email according to their domain name, and they will get the best security. The website security that they will get here is amazing. They will get firewall, prevent hackers. These are the securities. First security is this: multiple site protection, blacklist monitoring, unlimited malware removal, and these all services are included in their plan. So you can rest assured that your website will be on the safer web hosting. In Prime Hostings, user will get lot of software programs like ERP, WordPress, WooCommerce, OpenCart, and other PHP frameworks. Prime hosting users can log in via Prime user option on their website, or if there is any issue they can contact the technical support. Technical support is available in Hindi and English languages. As you can see, I am already logged in, and let's go to the dashboard of my website. My dashboard is active, and you can see everything is available in a smoother way. I can refer anybody from here, refer and earn program. I can refer anybody from this refer and earn program. I can use this dashboard perfectly, and user free platform is provided for every user, and users can use their dashboard, cPanel and other things without any problem. Apart from web hosting services, Liger Hosting is also providing SEO services, website maintenance services. If you want to also design your website or develop your website, you can get in touch with them. Their team of professional is going to give you a complete package of such services as well. Their SEO specialist can also promote your website on Google searches and rank your website on the top search engine result pages. It is the safest platform where you can run your online business smoothly. They have a platform and they are charging very minimum amount for their best services that you can use to build your online business today. Their user friendly platform always attracts, and I also recommend you their services personally. And I hope now everything is clear for you. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, friends, and also share this video with others so that they can also get benefited and find the best web hosting services for their website. I hope, friend, this video helped you. Thank you, friends. Bye bye and take care.